Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, I hope everybody had a good Labor Day weekend. We are back. Daily chart, and you can see it's at a wide range. I mean, it's basically, 49 to 19s. That's been getting a little bit higher. The low from Friday was 19 quarter, low from today is 23. So it's a wide range. It's, about 20, 25 handles, going on 30 handles at the edges. But we have some sideways consolidation here. And that's to be expected with the holiday, with the slow grind that comes after each one of these dips, and then a move back, dip and a move back. And here we are. It doesn't look any different than this one, right? A couple days down, they hold it, and you grind. So hourly chart, you got your new weekly pivot, 45.28, and you can really see it here. It's just, price is kind of migrating. It's just kind of migrating. What's interesting to me and what's going to be important today into tomorrow is you had a little bit of a dip Sunday night below the new weekly pivot, but they held it. They took it back up towards the highs. They did as high as 48, then back down. So we're range bound here. Holds weekly pivot. Well, but it was about 5:30 this morning. They made matching lows, 29 quarter. And they've taken it back up a bit. So what'll be interesting to see is weekly pivot. Is that support? Is that established support? If that becomes established support through midweek, then the bulls should get directional days Thursday and Friday to take that higher. And that should take out 49.5 by the end of the week. And then the question becomes, where can they take it up from there? We'll see. So what do the bears want to do? You want to convert the weekly pivot. You want to break this the jobs report spike low from Friday down at 19 quarter. Convert that and then make a run at the 9-day, which today is at 17.75. That'll rise with price as we move along through the week. But those are your key levels heading into today for sure. So right now you've got the hourly mid-band 40.31, daily pivot 38.75, volume weighted average price 36.70. Our proprietary moving average and the 5-minute mid are sitting in the 34s. So 29 is key, 49 is key. The hourly mid is key. That held it in for the majority of last night. 9 p.m. on. We have a short on right now. The risk marker we put out for the short was 45.40. It was a little sloppy, but it held, and it eventually got us paid. And now we just have even stop. But this is one of these things where I could see me getting stopped out before the open, and then we'll just be flat and we'll hang out if it wants to turn 40 into support. If it still can't convert 40, then that's an area that we're leaning on for shorts. But I got to tell you, I don't feel great about it because weekly pivot underneath is holding. But if I'm asleep at 29, literally, I'm not coming in and buying 37 or 38 when all it could do was 40. So we'll wait for it to open, see what it wants to do, see what it doesn't want to do, and go from there. No reason to be impatient at all. Let the market open up, see what wants to be important, but those are the key levels. So 28 to 40 is going to be key this morning. And I'll be very interested to see if we close on either side of that area or whether we close inside of it. If we continue to close inside of it, then we're going to get this tight zone of consolidation until it makes up its mind. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Join the private Facebook group. Come join the chat room. We would love to meet you. Let us teach you how to do this stuff. Let us teach you how to be successful trading this stuff. That's what we do. That's our passion, and we love to teach people to do this stuff. It's a lot of fun. All right. Have a great day. Trade them well. I'll be out with a midday report, and I'll talk to you then.